Hello, I'm Dr. James Chen, and today I'm speaking with Dr. Elena Martinez, a renowned marine biologist who has spent 30 years studying deep-sea creatures and bioluminescent organisms in the world's deepest ocean trenches. Dr. Martinez, thank you for joining us. Your career has been extraordinary, filled with remarkable discoveries. But I understand that 18 months ago, something happened during a routine expedition that changed everything. Can you tell us about that moment? Well, Dr. Chen, it's wonderful to be here. Yes, 18 months ago, we were conducting what we thought would be a routine deep-sea expedition off the coast of the Mariana Trench. We'd planned to collect samples and observe bioluminescent organisms, much like we'd done dozens of times before. My team consisted of 5 experienced researchers, and we had all the standard equipment we always use. Everything seemed perfectly normal as we descended into the darkness, searching for those magical creatures that create their own light in the depths where no sunlight ever reaches. About 2 kilometers down, our equipment detected something unusual. At first, we thought there might be a malfunction with our sensors because what we were seeing didn't match any of our existing data about bioluminescence. We observed a previously unknown species of jellyfish that was producing light in a wavelength we had never documented before. The color was unlike anything in our research records. It was a shade that seemed to exist between blue and ultraviolet, creating patterns of light that moved in ways that defied our current understanding of how these organisms communicate. Our initial instinct was skepticism. Scientists are trained to question extraordinary findings, and this was certainly extraordinary. We spent the first several weeks thinking our equipment must be malfunctioning or that we'd made some fundamental error in our methodology. We recalibrated our instruments multiple times. We ran the same tests repeatedly. We even brought in additional equipment to verify our measurements, but every single test confirmed the same remarkable result. This jellyfish was real, and it was genuinely producing this unprecedented wavelength of light. Once we accepted what we were seeing, we began to understand the implications. This discovery challenged everything we thought we knew about bioluminescence in deep-sea creatures. We realized that light communication in the ocean might be far more complex and diverse than previously believed. Our findings suggested that these organisms had developed unique ways to transmit information to each other across the darkness. Perhaps the research opened entirely new pathways for understanding how creatures in extreme environments adapt and interact with one another. Beyond the pure science, we began exploring potential applications for this discovery. Researchers in medical technology have become very interested in how this particular jellyfish produces light so efficiently and in such an unusual wavelength. Scientists believe that studying this mechanism could lead to breakthroughs in non-invasive diagnostic imaging and perhaps even new treatment methods for certain conditions. The applications could be transformative. What started as curiosity about a strange creature in the deep ocean might eventually help save lives. What fascinates me most is why this discovery surprised me more than many other findings throughout my 30-year career. I think it's because science teaches us that there are limits to what we don't know, certain boundaries to the natural world. But this discovery reminded me that the ocean still holds profound mysteries. Even after decades of research, we can encounter something completely unexpected. It humbled me. It reminded me why I became a scientist in the first place. That sense of wonder, that possibility that around every corner there might be something extraordinary waiting to be discovered. This jellyfish has become what I call a symbol of scientific curiosity and humility. Every time I think about those early days of the expedition, descending into the darkness and encountering something that didn't fit into any category we'd ever created, I'm reminded that nature is far more creative than we are. It's far more innovative than even our best theories can predict. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, and we've explored less than 5% of it. Imagine what other discoveries are waiting there in the depths, just beyond the reach of our current understanding. Question 1. How long has Dr. Martinez been researching deep-sea creatures? A. 10 years, B. 30 years, C. 18 months, or D. 5 years? Question 2. The research team discovered a previously unknown species of what animal that produces light in a new wavelength? Fill in the blank. Question 3. Why did the research team spend months verifying their data after the initial discovery? Please provide a short answer. Question 4. According to the passage, what is one potential application of this discovery mentioned? A. Improving deep-sea diving equipment, B. Creating new types of fish, C. Medical technology, or D. Predicting ocean storms?